In front of me is Honor 400 Power, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit System and Updates. Then Language and Input, Emoji Keyboard, and Settings at the bottom right corner. Lastly, select Input and manage all of those options however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!